Your doors are more than just entryways. They're the first line of defense for your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Over time, even the most durable doors can deteriorate due to constant use, weather exposure, or shifting foundations. For homeowners in League City, recognizing when it's time for a door replacement can save you money on energy bills, boost comfort, and improve safety. Here are some of the most common signs that your door may need replacing. Drafts and rising energy bills. If you feel a breeze near your door, even when it's closed, there's a good chance the seals or weather stripping have worn out. Drafts can let conditioned air escape and outdoor air in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This is especially common in League City's humid subtropical climate, where doors can warp or expand due to heat and moisture. Replacing your old, drafty door with an energy-efficient model can make a noticeable difference in your comfort and monthly utility bills. Difficulty opening or closing the door. A properly installed and maintained door should open and close smoothly. If you have to push, pull, or force your door to latch, that's a sign of trouble. Wood doors often swell due to humidity, while metal doors may rust or corrode around hinges. Foundation shifts, common in Texas due to soil movement, can also throw your door frame out of alignment. When this happens, replacing the door and frame ensures a proper fit and smooth operation again. Visible damage or wear. Cracks, dents, peeling paint, or warping aren't just cosmetic issues. They can also compromise your door's structure and security. For example, cracks can weaken the frame, making it easier for intruders to break in. A warped or rotting wood door may no longer seal tightly, leading to water leaks and pest entry. In coastal areas like League City, exposure to salt air and humidity can accelerate deterioration. If your door looks aged or feels flimsy, replacement is often a safer and more cost-effective option than repair. Moisture or light leaks around the door. If you notice water seeping in during rain or light shining through the edges of your door, the seal has likely failed. Over time, worn-out seals allow moisture to enter your home, potentially causing mold growth and floor damage. This is a common issue for exterior doors facing strong coastal winds or frequent rain. Modern door replacements often feature advanced weather stripping and tighter insulation to keep your home dry and secure. Outdated appearance or style. Your front door plays a major role in your home's curb appeal. If it looks outdated or doesn't match your home's current style, a new door can instantly elevate the appearance of your property. Homeowners in League City often choose stylish fiberglass or steel doors that mimic wood grain without the maintenance. Beyond aesthetics, new doors also come with modern hardware, multi-point locks, and reinforced frames that enhance both beauty and security. Excessive outside noise. If you can easily hear traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity through your closed door, it may lack adequate insulation. Older doors or those with hollow cores don't block sound effectively. Upgrading to a solid core or insulated door can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, especially valuable for homes near busy roads or intersections. Security concerns. An aging or weakened door can pose serious security risks. Loose hinges, weak frames, or damaged locks can make your home vulnerable to break-ins. Many modern doors include reinforced steel cores, impact-resistant glass, and smart locking systems to give homeowners peace of mind. If your current door feels flimsy or unreliable, replacement is a smart investment in your family's safety. Upgrade your home with a quality door replacement in League City. Replacing your door may seem like a small upgrade, but it can have a big impact on your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and appearance. Whether you're dealing with drafts, difficulty closing, or simply want to refresh your home's look, professional door replacement ensures a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. League City homeowners can benefit from modern, durable doors designed to withstand Texas weather while adding value and security to their property. Final thought: if you've noticed any of these signs, it's time to consider a professional inspection. A new door can transform the way your home looks, feels, and functions, making it more efficient, secure, and stylish for years to come.